Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium in an easy way. First, familiarize yourself with the instrument's main components, the bellows, the keyboard, and the various stops. Sit comfortably with a straight back, ensuring easy access to both the bellows and the keys. Begin by practicing a smooth, consistent pumping motion with the bellows to maintain a steady airflow. Then, gently press individual keys to hear the distinct notes, focusing on a clear, sustained sound. Now, let's move on to playing basic notes and scales. Locate the 7 natural notes, often marked or easily identifiable, on your harmonium's keyboard. Start by practicing the C major scale, playing it both upwards and downwards. Use a comfortable fingering, typically employing your thumb, index, and middle fingers for the initial 3 notes. Focus on maintaining even pressure on each key to ensure every note sounds clear and distinct. Next, we'll explore chords and rhythms. Begin by learning simple 2-note and 3-note chords, such as C major or G major, by pressing multiple keys simultaneously. Practice playing these chords along with basic rhythmic patterns, using a metronome to keep a steady beat. Try combining these chords with single notes to create simple, flowing melodies. Don't forget to experiment with the various stops to discover different tonal qualities and textures. To truly master the harmonium, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Listen to various harmonium music to gain inspiration and understand different playing styles. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas where you can improve. Finally, start exploring simple devotional songs or folk tunes to apply your new skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.